LG has finally rolled out their wireless M4 OLED TV. This is a G4 model but with a wireless connect box similar to what you get with Samsung's QD OLED TVs and even their flagship mini LED TVs, where you have a separate connection box that holds all the connections like your HDMI ports, the power input plug, and everything that controls the TV. Then the TV, it becomes more or less like a wireless display that has that connection box giving all the signals to it basically. So this new model, the M4, it was announced in January. It's an upgrade to the M3 model that came out last year. So the M3 now would take a back seat for the new M4. If you want to buy the M4, you will have to head on to LG's official website. It is not cheap. It is expensive. You will have to pay some good amount of money to be able to afford the M4. The M4 has a lot of features. One being the fact that it has this new Zero Connect box, which is a clear reference to Samsung One Connect box solution with literally a single cable running from the box to the TV as the controller. LG believes that the wireless box will let users enjoy flexibility to arrange their living space however they want to, as a part of an effort to rethink their TV design. The M4 can be seen as a sort of successor to the company's wallpaper series OLED TVs, which has been discontinued by the company. The M4 competes with models like the Samsung S95D, the Sony A95L, the Panasonic Z95A, and the Philips OLED909. Now, the M4 and the G4 have almost the same features. It's literally almost the same thing. You know, they come with a second generation micro lens array OLED panel with micro lenses for increased brightness, except for the 97-inch version. Now, the reason that LG Display gives is that they have yet to apply micro lens array technology to their largest OLED panel right now. So you're not going to get that on their 97-inch version. The 97-inch M4 is limited to 4K 120 Hz, while the 65, 77 and 83-inch model are capable of 4K at 144 Hz over wireless connection, which communicates over the uncongested 60 GHz wireless band with multi-part technology to ensure a stable connection up to 10 meters. Now, this is according to LG. So this is a fantastic display. The M4 also features LG's new Alpha 11 processor. You can get more details about that in several other videos that I've covered the OLED series over time. So that's one thing you get. LG even said that their M4 has rolled out in major markets worldwide, as that this started on July 1st, which was a few days ago. The company also shared the price details for the M4, because right now you can purchase it if you are more or less interested in it, because it's an expensive display, so you will have to pay a lot of money to be in a position to get your hands on it. So for the 65 inches, £5,000. For the 77 inches, £7,300, and then for the 83 inches, £9,700. Then finally for the 97 inch is £34,700. So all the details, all the necessary information that you need will be down below if you're interested in this new M4 OLED TV from LG. Do check that out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.